P-U-R, poor.
P-U-R,
B-I-R, beer.
Bir. Sao để
K-O-R, core.
K-O-R,
Pandai. Okay, so you can see, baik. Anda boleh lihat semua perkataan di sini akhir dengan bunyi R. Okay, all these words over here, it end with the R sound. Okay, bunyi R ialah R. Okay, G-A-R, gar, P-U-R, pur, P-I-R, bir, dan K-O-R, core. Baik, so sekarang ini kita akan melihat 4 gambar di muka surat 19 dari buku bacaan suku kata. Okay, we will look at page 19 from our suku kata bacaan book. Okay, kita ada 4 gambar di sini. Baik, kita akan baca. Baik, nombor 1, the first picture here, cikgu nak Ihang baca untuk cikgu. Okay, Ihang akan bacakan perkataan ini untuk kita. Jom kita dengar. Okay, Ihang, can you spell and read for teacher? Eja dan baca untuk cikgu. Pagar. Pandai Ihang. Bagus. Very good. Baik. Terima kasih Ihang. Okay, so apa maksud pagar? What is pagar? What do we call
Pagar
pagar
means
in English?
Pagar means a gate.
Gate. Okay, gate. Very good. Okay, or we can even see this in the farm, right? As a fence. In English, we say a fence. Okay? So, dalam bahasa kita sebut pagar. Baik, bagus. Jom kita lihat yang seterusnya. The next picture, cikgu nak you how baca untuk cikgu. How? Can you read the next word for teacher? Kapur. Bagus. Terima kasih Yuhau. Bagus. Baik. Ini ialah kapur. Baik. Cikgu nak tanya anda, apa maksud kapur? What do we call kapur in English?
Kapur.
Kapur. What do we call kapur in English? Anyone knows? Chalk. Very good. This is a chalk. Okay, you can see 2 chalks over here. We use chalks to write on the blackboard. Teachers use chalks to write on the blackboard. Okay, so ini ialah kapur. Dalam bahasa kita sebut kapur. Baik, seterusnya jom kita lihat yang seterusnya. Seterusnya cikgu nak Chenny baca untuk cikgu. Okay, jom kita tanya Chenny. Okay, baik Chenny, tolong bacakan perkataan yang seterusnya untuk cikgu. Can you read this word there? B-I-B.
B-I-B.
R. Bir. Bibir. Okay, sebut lagi sekali dengan cikgu ya. Okay, baik. Semua sebut dengan cikgu. B-I-B.
B-I-B.
B-I-R. Bir.
B-I-R.
B-I-R.
Bibir.
Bibir.
Okay, apa maksud bibir? What do we call bibir in English? Where is the arrow pointing to?
Mouth.
Lips. Okay,
Yes,
lips. In English, we call as lips. Dalam bahasa, kita sebut bibir. Okay, we don't say mouth. Okay, mouth is mulut. Okay, mouth is mulut, ya children. But you can look at the arrow here. It's pointing to the lips. Okay, dalam bahasa, kita sebut bibir. Bagus, terima kasih Chenny. Baik, seterusnya cikgu nak tanya Hanyu. Okay, Hanyu is going to read the next word for teacher. Hanyu, tolong baca perkataan yang seterusnya untuk cikgu.
E-O-R for exor.
Yes, bunyi E di sini ialah E. Okay, you always must remember that E, right? Letter E has two sounds. E, and also E, Okay, di sini ialah kita sebut seperti E, Okay, so sekarang ni cikgu nak semua sebut dengan cikgu. E, K-O-R.
Ekor.
Ekor. Pandai. Apa maksud ekor?
Tail.
Tail. Very good. Okay, you can see the arrow here pointing to the cat's tail here, right?
I know ekor is tail.
Very good. Pandai. Baik, ekor. Okay, ini ialah ekor. Baik, so kita telah baca muka surat 19. Baik, sekarang ini kita akan melihat muka surat 20. Okay, we will look at page 20 now. Yeah. I accidentally erased the... Oops.
You erased the day just now.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, right. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, muka surat 20. Okay, di sini kita ada beberapa perkataan. We have few words on page 20 here. Okay, all these words also end with letter R. Okay, semua perkataan di sini akhir dengan huruf R atau bunyi R. Okay, you can see here. Let me underline for you so that you can see. Ini R here. Nampak tak? Okay, so kita akan baca semua perkataan ini bersama-sama. Baik, so sekarang ni cikgu nak anda lihat muka surat 20. Okay, I want you to look at page 20, but teacher is going to show you my slides. Okay, you can look at my slides as well. I have all the words with picture here. Alright, so jom kita baca bersama-sama. Baik, nombor 1. Okay, the first word cikgu nak Tenyu baca untuk cikgu. Okay, Tenyu akan baca untuk kita. Tenyu, can you read this word?
Looking the word. Paper. S-A-R. Pasar.
Wah, pandai. Very good, Tenyu. Terima kasih. Baik, yang lain jom kita baca bersama-sama. Sebut dengan cikgu. P-A-Pa. Yes, I want all of you to repeat after me, children. Say P-A-Pa.
Paper.
S-A-R. Sar.
S-A-R.
Pasar. Okay, apa maksud pasar? What can you see from the picture here? What do we call pasar in English?
Means shop.
Are you sure it's shop? You can see stalls over here, people selling fruit.
Market.
Very good. Market, right? In English, we call it as a market. Baik, dalam bahasa kita sebut pasar. Yes, okay. Ini ialah pasar. Bagus. Very good. Baik, seterusnya. Perkataan yang seterusnya, cikgu nak tanya. Okay, the next word, cikgu nak. Siapa boleh baca untuk cikgu? Okay, jom kita tanya Yue Han. Okay, let's ask Yue Han to read. Okay, Yue Han is going to read for us. Baik, Yue Han, eja dan baca untuk cikgu. Okay, let's spell and read.
H-I.
H-A, ha.
A. Ha.
Next.
D-I-R.
Dir.
Do.
Ha.
Ha-dir.
Hadir. Bagus. Hadir. Okay. H-A, ha. D-I-R. Dir. Hadir. Terima kasih, Yue Han. Okay. Apa maksud hadir? Who can tell me? Apa maksud hadir? Any one of you knows what is hadir? Okay, like for now, all of you present, right? Present for your online class. Present for your online class now. So same goes to you when you go to school. Okay, when teacher asks you, okay, who's absent? Okay, absent is those who don't present to school or those who did not come to school on that day. So for those who attend to school or for those who present on that day, we say hadir. So When teacher asks in bahasa, adakah anda hadir ke sekolah? Then you must say, ya cikgu, saya hadir pada hari ini. That means I present to school today. I came to school today. I attended the school today. So hadir means you attended. Okay, hadir. Do you understand, children? Do you understand? Okay, I hope you understand, yeah. Later teacher will ask you again, all right? You must remember, okay? You can see the boy here, he raised up his hand, okay? Baik, that means he's actually telling us that he present to school. Very good. Baik, seterusnya cikgu nak tanya, Junzin. Okay, jom kita tanya Junzin, okay? Junzin is going to read the next word for us, okay? Baik, Junzin, tolong baca untuk cikgu perkataan ini. Okay, you're going to read this word for teacher. Can you try?
T-I-D-U-R
D-U-R Dur. Dur. Tidur. Yes. Okay, let's read again. Okay, jom kita baca lagi sekali. Okay, let's read again, children. T-I-T. D-U-R. Dur. Tidur. Yes, what is tidur? What do we call tidur in English? Can someone tell me?
I don't know. Is it sleep?
Correct. Sleep, right? Dalam bahasa kita sebut tidur. In English, we say sleep. Okay, sleeping. You can see the boy here. He is sleeping. Right, bagus.
Like the moon is sleeping.
Yeah, okay. Alright, bagus. Okay, jom kita baca yang seterusnya. Let's look at the next word. Baik, yang seterusnya cikgu nak Zizan. Let's have Zizan to read. Okay, Zizan is going to read the next word for us. Okay, baik, Zizan. Let's read, Zizan. Okay, can you say the word here? Say out the letter first. Say out. Say L-A, la. Okay, very good. P-A-R, par. Say with me. P-A-R, par. Lapar. Yeah, lapar. Okay, thanks for trying. Very good. Baik, seterusnya yang cikgu nak semua baca dengan cikgu. Everybody say with me. L-A, la.
No.
P-A-R, par. Lapar. Okay, apa maksud lapar? Oh, kesian. Nampak tak budak lelaki ini? Can you see this boy? Okay, you can see that he's actually holding his tummy here, and he looked very unhappy, and he is also thinking about a hamburger. So what does this picture shows? What does that mean?
Hungry.
Hungry. That means the boy is hungry, right? Okay, he is also having stomach ache. Okay, you can see the lines here. That means he's also having stomach ache, and he looks very weak, and he's thinking about the hamburger. That means he is hungry. Okay, dalam bahasa kita sebut lapar. Boleh tak semua sebut dengan cikgu lapar? Can all of you say with me? Lapar.
Lapar.
Very good. Lapar means hungry. Okay, you must remember. Bagus. Baik, seterusnya jom kita lihat gambar yang seterusnya. Baik, cikgu nak Annabelle. Annabelle to read for me. Annabelle is going to read for teacher. Annabelle, can you read? Tir. Petir. Terima kasih Annabelle. Bagus. Thank you. Okay, apa maksud petir? Okay, apa maksud petir? Can someone tell teacher? Apa maksud petir?
Today. Lightning.
Lightning. Very good. Now, when can we see lightning?
When it's raining and the cloud is gray.
Very good, Annabelle. Thank you for your answer. Yes, okay, we can see lightning in the sky, before it even start to rain, or even sometimes during it rains, right? And the clouds will get very dark and cloudy. And that's when you can see the lightning, okay? And you can hear the very loud sound, okay? So in English, we say lightning, and dalam bahasa kita sebut petir. Boleh tak semua sebut dengan cikgu lagi sekali? Petir. Okey, bagus. Baik. Seterusnya, jom kita baca perkataan yang ini. Okey, cikgu nak Ethan Yap. Okay, Ethan Yap is going to read for me this word. Ethan, can you read this word for teacher? Okay, Ethan is going to read for us, ya. Alright. Tolong baca untuk cikgu. Sebut. Kita.
Tolong.
L-U-R, lur. Telur. Ethan, apa maksud telur? What is telur, Ethan?
Egg.
What is this?
Egg.
What can you see from this picture here, Ethan? Egg. Very good. In English, we call as egg. Okay, dalam bahasa kita sebut telur. Siapa suka makan telur? Siapa suka makan telur? Who likes to eat egg?
Me.
See, I like to eat.
Okay.
Like to eat.
Good to know that, okay? Yeah, eggs are very good for your body, okay? They contains a lot of protein, okay? You must eat eggs. Okay, baik, seterusnya. Okay, yang ini cikgu nak Sharwin untuk baca untuk cikgu. Sharwin, boleh tak baca untuk cikgu perkataan ini? Can you read for me? Sharwin? Can you read for teacher?
B-A-bar. Y-A-R-R. Bayar.
Terima kasih Sharwin. Bagus. Betul. Bayar. B-A-bar. Y-A-R-R. Bayar. Apa maksud bayar? What can you see from this? Yeah, Sharwin?
Selling.
Oh, okay, good try. But let me tell you what is bayar. Bayar means you pay. For example, when you go to a shop, okay, when you buy things, you need to pay money. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And you can see from the picture here, okay, the person here is actually paying the money to the cashier. Okay, this is the cashier, right? And the person here is paying the money to the cashier. Bayar duit. Bayar means you pay. You have to pay when you buy things. Okay? Dalam bahasa kita sebut bayar. Faham tak semua? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Very good. Baik, yang akhir sekali cikgu nak Ziting untuk baca untuk cikgu. Ziting.
Look at the fruits and vegetables.
Ziting, tolong eja dan baca untuk cikgu.
Look at the fruits and vegetables. They're healthy.
Okay, S-A-Sa.
Y-U-R.
Yur. Sayur. Okay, the rest read with teacher again. Sebut dengan cikgu. S-A-Sa. Y-U-R-Yur. Sayur. Okay, apa maksud sayur? What is sayur? What do we call sayur in English?
Vegetables. That's fruits and vegetables.
Vegetables. Do you eat vegetables at home? Do you eat vegetables every day?
Eat fruits and vegetables every day.
Harus makan sayur pada setiap hari. Every day we must eat vegetables every day. Baik, di sini cikgu ada 5 jenis sayur. Okay, I have 5 types of vegetables here. Okay, nombor 1. Apa yang anda lihat di sini? Ini sayur apa? What vegetable is this?
Garlic.
Okay. What do we call garlic in bahasa? Siapa
I
tahu?
don't know.
Anyone else knows what is garlic in bahasa? Bawang putih. Can all of you say with me? Say bawang putih.
Bawang putih.
Yes, okay.
That is
Bawang,
funny.
yeah, bawang is onion. Bawang putih is garlic. Okay, very good. Baik, seterusnya. Ini sayur apa semua? What vegetable is this?
No, that's a fruit.
Are you sure it's a fruit?
Yes. Oh, it's a vegetable.
Yes.
Fruit.
Vegetable, it's not a
It's a
fruit.
vegetable.
Can you guess?
Tomatoes is a fruit, not a vegetable. What's the word?
It's a vegetable, Sharmin.
Yes, it is. No, it's a fruit.
Okay.
Vegetable.
Okay, wait. Sharmin say this. Okay, wait. Sharmin says that this is a fruit. Okay, Sharmin, if this is a fruit, what fruit is this?
A tomato.
Tomato is a vegetable.
A fruit,
Okay, tomato is a vegetable. Okay, we don't say it as a fruit.
not a
Because,
vegetable.
yeah, all these you can see mommy used to cook. Okay, anything that you cook, okay, with your soup or with anything, okay, with chicken or meat or fish, okay, you can see tomatoes in it. So tomato is a vegetable. Okay, dalam bahasa juga kita sebut tomato. Boleh tak semua sebut dengan cikgu tomato?
Tomato, not tomato.
Tomato is in English, Sharmin. Dalam bahasa kita sebut tomato.
Tomato.
Okay? Ya. Baik, seterusnya. Ini sayur apa? What vegetable is this, children? What vegetable is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. What do you call carrot in bahasa?
Carrot.
No, but good try. We say lobak. Boleh tak semua sebut dengan cikgu? Lobak. Lobak. Okay, ini ialah lobak.
Go to fried rice.
Lobak means carrot. Baik, seterusnya. What vegetable is this, children? Okay, what vegetable is this? Cucumber, right? Okay, cucumber. Yeah, you can see cucumbers when we eat nasi lemak. Have you all ever seen?
Yes, we eat.
Yeah, we always eat cucumber together with nasi lemak, right? Baik, dalam bahasa kita sebut timun. Boleh tak semua sebut dengan cikgu? Timun.
Timun.
Okay, baik. The last one, yang akhir sekali. What vegetable is this, children?
Eggplant.
Okay, what do we call eggplant in bahasa?
I don't know.
Terung. Boleh tak sebut dengan cikgu? Terung.
No.
Okay, we also have a lot more. Okay, many types of vegetables. Okay, kita ada pelbagai jenis sayur-sayuran, and this is just a few. Okay, baik, bagus. Right, sekarang ni, okay, this is what all this, okay, whatever that we read just now is what you have learned on your previous week with Teacher Stella, right? Baik, so sekarang ni, hari ini cikgu akan membuat bacaan. Okay, I would do reading with you on page 21 dari buku bacaan. Sekarang ini cikgu nak semua lihat muka surat 21. I want all of you to look at page 21. Yes, dari buku bacaan. From your reader. Turn to page 21, muka surat 21. Okay, I will write the page number for you here if you can't see. Okay, this is your reader. Are you looking at page 21, children?
Wait. What?
Are you looking at page 21? Can we start reading together? Okay, I hope all of you have turned to page 21. Okay, di sini kita ada dua gambar dan dua petikan. Okay, we have two pictures and also two.
Actually, can I go drink some water, please?
Yes, sure. You may go, Sharmin. Okay. So let's look at the first picture. Jom kita lihat gambar yang pertama. Okay, let's look at this. And we are going to read the sentences here. Okay, kita akan baca petikan ini bersama-sama. Okay, cikgu nak semua sebut dengan cikgu. Repeat after me, everyone. Okay, M-A, Ma.
Emma.
N-A-P-nap.
N-A-P-nap.
Manap.
Nap.
R-A-Ra.
Era.
S-A-Ta.
Ra.
Rasa.
Rasa.
Next. L-A-La.
L-A-La.
P-A-R. Par.
P-A-R.
Lapar.
Lapar.
Manap. Rasa.
Rasa.
Lapar.
Lapar.
That means Manap. Manap means the boy's name here. Okay, the boy's name. Okay, we call him Manap. Rasa lapar. Apa maksud lapar? I told you all just now.
Hungry.
Very good, clever, bagus. Lapar means hungry. So Manap rasa lapar. That means Manap felt hungry. Okay, let's see what he did. Okay, jom kita baca yang seterusnya, ayat yang kedua. M-A-Ma.
M-A-Ma.
N-A-P-nap.
N-A-P-nap.
Manap.
Manap.
B-E-B.
B-E-B.
L-I-D.
L-I-D.
Beli.
Beli.
Next.
Beli.
Beli means, okay, later teacher will tell you. Okay, let us finish the whole sentence. Okay, let's read first. K-E-K.
Ke.
B-A-B. Bab.
B-A-B. Bab.
Kebab.
Kebab.
Next. D-I-D.
B says bab. That's funny.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, next is D-I-D. Sebut dengan cikgu. D-I-D.
D-I-D.
Okay, seterusnya. P-A-Pa.
P-A-Pa.
S-A-R. Sar.
Pasar. Pasar means
Okay, bagus. Jom kita baca. Manap beli
beli
kebab
kebab
di pasar.
kebab di pasar.
Okay, that means, okay, so Manap, he felt hungry just now. Am I right? He felt so hungry. So what he did was, Manap beli kebab di pasar. That means he bought. Okay, beli means, okay, beli means buy, okay? We can say buy, or if past tense, we say bought, okay? So that means Manap beli kebab. Do you know what is kebab, children? Okay, kebab is the thing that you can see Manap is holding, okay? It's something like burger, but it's not a burger, okay? The bread is longer, it's in a long shape, okay? And you will have meat, or sometimes you will have sausage in it, okay? So we call it as kebab. Okay, next time, if you get a chance to go to night market with your mommy or daddy, you can ask them to get for you or show you what is kebab, okay? Kebab is like a burger, okay? You will have salad and they will put some sauce for you to eat. It's very nice to eat, okay? So ini ialah kebab. Okay, so Manap beli kebab di pasar. Apa maksud pasar? Just now I taught you the word pasar. Who can tell me?
Market.
Correct, market. That means he bought the kebab from the market. So when you... Yes, Ziting?
This is our last more class.
Yes.
Last class.
Yes. Okay, so he bought the kebab from the pasar. Okay, so he bought it from the night market. Okay, jom kita baca yang seterusnya. K-E-K. B-A-B. Bab. Kebab. Next. I-E. T-U-2. Itu. Bagus. Seterusnya. S-E-Se.
S-E-Se.
D-A-P. Dap.
D-A-P. Dap.
Sedap. Okay, jom kita baca. Okay, let's read together. Kebab itu sedap.
Kebab itu sedap.
Okay, apa maksud kebab itu sedap? Can you guess? Sedap. What is sedap? I have taught you the word sedap before.
Sedap.
Yes?
Yummy.
Yummy or very delicious. Okay, it's very nice to eat.
Yummy and delicious.
Okay, kebab itu sedap. Okay, that is what they mean here. Okay.
666.
Alright. Okay, sebelum kita lihat muka surat, sebelum kita lihat petikan yang seterusnya, before we look at the next paragraph here, let's read the whole paragraph again together. Cikgu nak semua sebut dengan cikgu. Repeat after me. Say, mana rasa lapar?
Rasa
cikgu.
lapar.
Mana beli kebab
Mana beli kebab
di pasar?
di pasar.
Kebab itu sedap.
Kebab itu sedap.
Okay, so I already explained to you about these sentences here. Now let's look at the second paragraph. Okay, anda boleh lihat gambar di sini. You can see the picture. And the sentences here is based on this picture. Okay, let's read again together. Sebut dengan cikgu. M-A-Ma.
Ma.
N-A-P nap. Manap.
Mana.
Next, J-U-Ju. G-A-Ga.
May I
Juga.
go have some water?
Okay, next.
I
B-E-B.
A-P-C. Well,
L-I-L-I. Beli.
Beli.
Next.
Ya.
Okay, wait, Yuhao is calling us. Yes, Yuhao.
Now go to toilet.
Yes, you may go, Yuhao. Come back quickly, alright? Good. Okay, jom kita baca yang seterusnya. S-I-C. R-A-P, rap. Sirap. Manap juga beli sirap. Okay, that means you also bought syrup. Do you know what is syrup, children? Teacher have taught you this word before. Okay, syrup means a drink here. Okay, this is a drink. Okay, where it is in very dark pink color.
That means drink.
Yeah, syrup is a type of drink. Okay, it's a type of juice. Alright, baik. Jom kita lihat yang seterusnya. H-A-H-R-I-R-I. Hari.
Hari semua.
Next, S-U-Su.
What is hari?
Okay, later I will tell you. Read this first.
Means
S-U-Su.
water.
No. S-U-Su. D-A-H. Dah.
Sudah.
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 G-E-G. L-A-P. Lap.
Lap.
Gelap.
Gelap.
Okay, let's read. Hari sudah gelap. Okay, hari sudah gelap. That means the day, hari, the day, okay, has become dark. Gelap, very dark. So if the day has become dark, which means it's already
Evening time.
yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, hari sudah gelap. That means the day has become dark. Okay. Next, let's read the next sentence. Yang akhir sekali, let's read the last sentence here. M-A-Ma. N-A-P, nap. Manap. Next, M-A-Ma. H-U, who. Mahu. Okay, next. B-A-Ba. L-I-K, lick. Balik.
Balik.
Next, T-I-T. D-U-R, dur.
Tidur.
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 Let's read the sentence together. Manap mahu
Mana maku. I know what the word.
tidur.
Mana napku. Nana.
Mana balik
Aku.
Yes, okay. That means, okay.
Mana
Manap mahu balik tidur. That means he wants to go back and sleep. Tidur means sleep. Okay, I told you just now. All right, so let's read the sentence again one more time before we look at the activity. Jom kita baca lagi sekali. Cikgu nak semua ulang. Okay, repeat after me. Manap juga
Manap juga
beli sirap.
beli sirap.
Next, hari sudah gelap.
Hari sudah gelap.
Gelap.
Gelap. What's gelap?
Dark.
Dark.
Okay, next. Manap mahu
Manap maku
balik tidur.
tidur.
Yes, okay.
Balik means
Balik means go back. Okay, he wants to go
what
back.
is
Balik,
mahu?
that means you are going back. Go back. Okay, maybe
What's
you're going back
mahu?
maybe he's going back to his house, or he might be going back to his grandparents' house. You know, but balik means going back. Go back. Okay, so that is about on page 21. Ini ialah ayat-ayat mudah. All these is simple sentences which we have already read together.
Now can I leave?
No, don't leave because you have 8 more minutes. I'm going to give you the activity. All right, kita akan buat activity. But before that, I want to remind you, please read this page at home. Okay, tolong baca muka surat 21 at home. You need to read by yourself. Okay, you need to try to read by yourself. Okay, now let's look at the activity, children. Okay, I will erase all this. Wait, let me erase all this. Then let's go to the
Teacher Shini,
yes, Ziting.
I'm not good at reading
You have to try.
because I don't read every day.
Yes, you have to read every day, okay? Or else you will be not able to read until whenever, okay? You need to read every day. Then
Because I don't like to reading one.
you have to, and that's how you're going to get good in reading, Ziting. All right, baik. Jom kita lihat buku activity. Take out your pink color book. Okay, you're going to take out your pink color book now, right? Your activity.
Look, what's this? I didn't do this.
Eh, really? I thought Teacher
Yes.
Stella have taught you on that on the previous week. What about the rest, children? Are you all done on page 19 and 20? Muka surat 19 dan 20. Are you all done? Have you done that, children, on page 19 and 20? Can someone tell teacher?
15.
Oh, 15, that means maybe you are left out, Sharvin. That means you need to do it. Okay, make sure you do it at home. Okay, you can ask for help from mommy or daddy. Baik, jom kita lihat.
I already finished page 19.
Okay, good. Baik, sekarang jom kita lihat muka surat 21 dari buku activity, page 21. Okay, we're going to look at page 21. Okay, sebelum kita mula, sebelum cikgu bacakan arahan untuk anda, cikgu nak anda tuliskan hari dan tarikh. Can you please write down the day and date, children?
21 now.
Yes, please write the day and date on page 21.
You also can use color pencil lah.
No, we use pencils. We don't use color pencil because if you made mistakes, then it's very difficult to erase it. So you use pencil. Okay.
Here.
Okay, tolong tuliskan hari dan tarikh. Make sure your handwriting is neat. Okay. Make sure you write it in a straight line. Don't let your letters or numbers to fly. Okay. Make sure they are in a correct order. Okay. All right, good children. I hope you are writing your day and date. Tolong tuliskan hari dan tarikh.
Zidane, let's see who's the fastest.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. Falling is the truth. Is the falling is the truth. Falling is the truth.
All right. Okay.
Actually,
Yes.
I speak Mandarin at my parents.
Oh, I see. Okay. Baik. Sekarang ini, cikgu akan bacakan arahan untuk anda. I'll read the instruction here. I want all of you to listen. Okay? Baik. Salin semula ayat di bawah. That means rewrite. You are going to write the sentences again. Okay, over here you have 3 sentences. Okay, jom kita baca dahulu sebelum kita tulis. Okay, let's read children. Semua sebut dengan cikgu. Manap rasa lapar. Can all of you say with me? Manap rasa lapar. Okay, so what you're going to do, you are going to write this sentence. Manap rasa lapar on the space given here. Right, they have give you 2 boxes. Okay, you can see 2 boxes here. Okay, with the lines, with the dotted lines. Okay,
I already done.
Okay, good. Then you very good if you're done. Okay, so let me show you on how to write it. Okay, so when you write these sentences, make sure your handwriting is neat. Write it on the line. Okay, so once you're done, once you already write your sentence, make sure you put a full stop there. Okay, you must put a full stop whenever you end a sentence. Okay, kita harus letakkan titik. Okay, di sini. Okay, so I want you to write the words on top here, the sentences here on the space given. Okay, let me show you another example. Okay, I'm sorry if my words is actually going down from the line because teacher is using laptop and it's a bit difficult to write it accurately. But when you write in your book, make sure you write it on the line. Okay? No letters to go out from the box. Okay, everything must be inside and on the line. Okay, so this is how you're going to do your work. Okay, ini ialah latihan untuk hari ini. Okay, anda akan tuliskan ayat ini di dalam ruang yang disediakan. Okay, anda akan tulis ayat 2 kali. You will write each sentence 2 times. Manap rasa lapar. Manap rasa lapar. Okay, you write 2 times. Okay, the rest, okay, you have 2 more sentences here. Okay, which is kebab itu sedap and hari sudah gelap. Okay, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to write the sentences on the space given. Okay, so you can take this as a homework.
But I only like one thing.
Yes, okay.